JD Cap 26 are just repairs and hobbies, and we got another box here we're going to open up and see what's inside here. I think I know what's inside here. Well, you'll know by the title, so I'm not going to fool you there, guys and girls. Nicely packaged. Let's see what's in here. The box. The Ziploc. It's got a base. I forget what this is. Oh, this is a 3D print of Alien, Sigourney Weaver. Cool. That is so cool. And that's the base. You got a base there. You got a base right here. Okay. For her. And that's solid plastic. And there's some instructions from New York 3D Creations. Cool. There's the card. This is a 1/8 scale, and you gotta see what's in here. My curiosity. I'm out of camera view. I'm sorry about that, guys. So what's this? What's this? This is a second version. There's two versions, I guess. No, that's part of her body. Okay, that's her body. Oh, this is the suit. Okay. All right. And an arm in there. Let's throw a leg in there. Body fits in there. Well, when I put it together, I'll find out, I guess, huh? There's an arm, there's a leg. I think, oh yeah, her leg fits in here. This is the other parts to that. So, pretty good. Let's see, let's look at the face. I want to see that. I want to see how they did in the face. Very nice. Look at that. Looks just like her. Look like the actress Sigourney Weaver. Very nice detail to it. So that's what I want to show you today. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And you'll see both of these models, I mean the one before, in videos to come. They'll be painted and I'll show you what they look like. Bye for now.